welcome back to the shop. We're here to celebrate 1,000 subscribers. That's it, nothing else, 1,000. Thanks.
We know, it's crazy. We're just as surprised by this as you are. So we're well over 1,000 subscribers now. We're just amazed that so many people are interested in what we're doing.
Honestly though, we weren't expecting to break 100 subscribers so fast. And then 1,000, like the channel's less than a year old. The reason why we had to make the two plaques at the same time is because they happened within such quick succession. Like this is crazy. Just imagining 1,000 people who watch this channel is just crazy and insane, and the number just doesn't make sense in my head. Like I don't even think I know 1,000 people. So thanks.
Yeah, thanks. We're just recording the stuff that we've always built, the stuff that we built around the house. That's why we have electronics and woodworking and just weird things, because that's how we decorate our house and our dorm rooms or our apartments at college and so forth, are things that people want us to make. And we decided we were just going to start shooting video of it because they're cool projects, and apparently you guys like that. We started out with an experimental video that we made in a single day. It's about a legendary officers club in the Philippines that I visited when I lived there back in the 70s. This wasn't a build project, but it was a fun video to make. After that, we moved into the kind of work that we do, and that would be building weird objects with LEDs all over the place. We included science fiction jokes like this Star Wars one because, hey, that's the kind of people we are. Then we started showing you some of our unique projects like this massively overpowered air cleaner. 2 of you built copies of this. That was pretty cool. And we feel pretty humbled that people are building our designs. And then there's this vacuum cart, which we haven't even named. We need to name it. But anyway, this is our #1 watched video. It consistently gets more views every week than most of our other stuff. You never know what's going to take off, but this one did. And last but not least is our magnum opus, the Techno Desk itself. This is the most complex thing we've built, and we use it every single day. It has so much stuff on it, how could you not? We're going to keep doing more, and we have like 75 projects on the list that we're doing. Always more.
This one's for you.
But back to the reason we're here. YouTube gives out awards based on the number of subscribers you have. You know, the silver, gold, and diamond ones. YouTube calls these creator awards, and there's actually several more than the silver, gold, and diamond that you've seen. They're all based on the number of subscribers you have, and each level gives you a few more tools inside the YouTube toolkit. You get graphite at 100 subscribers, and that just means your channel exists and you can edit videos with the online tools. Pretty basic stuff. At 1,000 subscribers, you receive the Opal Award, which allows you to monetize your channel and start receiving advertising revenue if people are watching your videos. The 10,000 subscriber Bronze Creator Award allows you to sell t-shirts with Teespring right on your YouTube homepage. At 100,000 subscribers, YouTube actually sends you a physical silver play button to hang on your wall. You've seen them in videos all over the place. At 1 million, you get the Gold Award, which is another large play button that YouTube sends you, much larger than silver, and you've seen those on videos as well. They're both really great accomplishments, but really the only 2 things that most YouTubers ever get are the silver and gold. We decided it would be kind of fun to have our own play buttons, even though we've only won graphite and opal. But we're makers, so we took the silver and gold buttons and measured their sizes and realized that silver is 3/4 the size of gold. So we just extrapolated down to make the other sizes: bronze, opal, and graphite. Now we had some dimensions for these non-existent play buttons that we could use to make our own buttons. And our non-existent play buttons that we made real actually turned out pretty good.
Bum, bum, wait, bum.
With multiple copies, we can hang our play buttons everywhere. With our fake play buttons, we are ready to face the future.
Hopefully we get invited to VidCon. Just kidding, I don't really want to go unless they say that they want us to go, then we'll go.
But we are going to start trying to go to some of the cons and some of the maker fairs. We've already been to a couple just to scope them out. So you may be able to see us in person there and ask us why we're so weird. So we'll be there.
Please do visit us at cons, not at our house. Don't come here.
And remember, it's your fault that we have these play buttons at all because you're subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much, all of you who watch our videos. It's so wonderful, and thanks for the comments. We've learned a lot from you. A lot of the Arduino comments and the woodworking comments we've incorporated here in the shop and other projects we've done. Thanks for everybody who's bought t-shirts or subscribed to the channel. It's great. Thank you so much for our patrons who help us finance all this stuff. Every little bit encourages us to do more, so we're going to keep doing more.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss an upload. All that other cool stuff. If you would like to be a patron, or you would like some merchandise, or would just like to follow us on social media, all of that is down below. Please go look. Thank you. Please subscribe, follow us on Instagram. Please, Instagram is my favorite social media. Have a good day, good night. This is mine?
Those are yours.
Fantastic.